Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grow your food for you. And they grow it so well that you won't find any blemish on any of the food that we're growing. We're harvesting now. We're harvesting over 9,000 peapods inside of our planters. That's our goal. And we're almost there. We've already grown enough food to feed a city. And we're growing a lot more. Each one of these planters, we put about 70 to 30 seeds inside these planters. And what we did was that we let them grow by themselves. All we did was fertilize. And guess what? The 8 pounds of beans that we've been able to grow so far are only coming off 3-pound planters. I'm harvesting an additional one right now. And I've got over 30-something to go. And when I say we grow food, I don't mean the foods you see on the supermarket shelves. I mean real food. Healthy, tremendous food at your doorstep like you've never seen before in your life. Torpedopot grows the food, and it grows lots of it. These Torpedopots have been growing with no human intervention now, and they've been doing just great. And the results are similar throughout. Yeah, when I say we're going to do about 9,000 pods, believe me when I tell you. Believe me when I tell you. There's going to be an awful lot. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters. You know the reason why I want to get these planters off and growing right now? Is because, first of all, I want delicious, wholesome food. I want food that's not contaminated. It looks great. It's not filled with debris. And it's perfect. Torpedopot grows your food perfectly all of the time. All of the time. I'm not looking. You find a blemish. I don't care. Torpedopot does such a great job at growing food that I don't know of any other system that can grow food more efficiently than your Torpedopot. That planter there can grow the rest of your food for your lifetime. And every piece, it's absolutely stunning. Stunning and beautiful. 9,000 pods growing in these Torpedopots. All I did was drop my seeds in my plants inside, and I start growing. I start growing like I never did before in my life, and I haven't stopped. And everything that I grow and I touch in my garden is beautiful. Absolutely stunning and beautiful. Absolutely stunning and beautiful. I love my Torpedopot. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com.